It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. This is more like a fashion type of DIY video, and I was very much inspired by Niki and Gabi on YouTube. I actually copied a video that they did like months, that was last year when I did the drive-through, the swap. So I did that with my friend Saxtine. We did like the swap thingy, and she was the one who introduced me to their channel. So I was subscribed ever since then, and I like faithfully watch their videos because I'm just like, I'm really into creative things. As you can see, my channel is kind of all over the place. I'm not really steady into like one thing, you know. Like my own grandparents can tell you that since I was a little girl, I used to take this big ass blanket, this big ass orange blanket. I remember when I used to live in Ridgewood, I used to make it into like 4 different dresses, like one big blanket, and I used to go down and I used to model the dress, and then I used to switch it up. I used to put like a handle thingy, a strap over, or I used to do it like this, tie a bow, do a whole bunch of different things. And I used to like walk to the living room and I used to model it for them. And I know they have it recorded somewhere. I'm not sure if they found it, but they were telling me that they were looking for it. So I just always been like creative and into things like that. Anyway, I'm like rambling and I never told you what this video is going to be about. So for this video, since we're all in the Q word, I don't want to say it because freaking YouTube, they're demonetizing people for saying that word. But you know, everything that we're in right now and everything that we're going through, we're not really going out anywhere. So I decided to follow Niki and Gabi's video because I was super inspired, and I'm going to create 3 different outfits with products that are around the house. I have no idea. I haven't thought about it yet, but I do know there's like a trend going on TikTok where the girls have the pillow and then they have a belt under, and then, you know, like their shoes and stuff like that, which that's super cute. I want to do that and take a picture just for the fun of it, but since that's already like so overused, I don't want to do that. For the most part, I want my full entire outfit to be home products. I don't want to wear like jeans with something. I'm going to try to stay away from that. Hopefully I can create a full outfit. So the 3 events that they chose were Carnival, which is like a Coachella or EDC, stuff like that. They chose date night and a red carpet. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to choose those 3. I'm going to try to do those 3, but like depending on what I find around my house, I might switch it up. Alright, so sorry for making this intro so long. If you're excited like me and you want to see what I come up with, then keep watching. Okay, so I started looking around my room and I remember that I do have this, which was my old backdrop. And it's behind this, behind my mirror. I have like different tripods and stuff like that. Which I forgot I have like 3 different tripods. But I have my backdrop. It's kind of see-through, but obviously I'm not really going out. Oh my god, there's glitter everywhere. I'm not going out with it. So I don't know if I could cut this up and use this for like Coachella, or if this could be like red carpet, because it's, I don't know. It's a big piece, so I could definitely make a quick little dress out of it if I want. Or I could do like a tube top like this, and then a matching skirt or something like Coachella vibes. But this might be, this is not really Coachella. This is more red carpet from like the 2000s, early 2000s. Definitely not like a 2020 red carpet, but I'm going to do whatever I want. So this is going to be like a 2000s red carpet. So I'm going to probably make this into a dress. Let me keep on looking. Okay, so I'm back in my room. It was a little bit difficult to record while I was like looking for things, just because like I didn't have anyone to hold the camera for me. And they're kind of working downstairs and other people are watching TV, so it's kind of noisy. So I have toilet paper and I'm like, is this the best idea to use toilet paper when everyone is like freaking out and we need toilet paper? So this is just like a maybe. I have that on the side. This is OB. That means it's 6 o'clock. I know it sounds like The Purge. When I first moved here, I thought it was The Purge, but it's not. Okay, so I know this is OD, but I have the pads where the dogs use the bathroom on. And my dog, I don't think she's like ever used this. She's trained. But we do have this. I said we do. I do have this. What else? I have another one of those. These look like freaking pads, but they're not. Well, they are pads, but not like, you know, feminine pads. These are the pads, the Swiffer ones. So I have these, and I don't know, maybe I could do like something with this because they're blue, and I have no idea. I have this, which I already showed you. I have this pillowcase, which I'm thinking it'll be a cute top for like a date night. So I have that. I have this wraparound or polo belt. What else? I know I have like two more things. Okay, and I have this placemat from the freaking dining room. And then this is the trail thingy that goes in the middle of the dining room table where you put like the things in the middle. What is this called? A runner, I think? I have no idea. So I'm gonna just sit here and try and come up with something in my head, as well as I might just look around my house real quick and see if I can find anything else that I can use. Maybe like a shower curtain or something. I don't know. But I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just went back into the closet that is in my hallway. And I got another runner, which I swear I'm almost sure that they're called runners. I probably should have Googled that. But anyways, I got this one. Can you see what it looks like? There we go. And then I found this satin pillowcase, which I feel like could be a really pretty dress. I don't know, but if this was a dress, I think it would be super cute. So I am going to get my creative mind flowing, and I will be back with the outfits. So if you forgot, I'm going to be doing a Coachella look, which I feel like I want to do Coachella 2018 because last year there were like a bunch of neons and stuff like that. So I want to do the year before that when it was more like hippie, and I don't know the right term for it, but yeah, like cowboy belts and stuff like that. Since I do have this, and I'm thinking of maybe using this material because this is like a lot of the material that people did have. So I definitely want to do 2018. I want to do a 2000s red carpet look because they did have like shiny things. A lot of the females did have like a shiny type of material. And then date night, I have no idea. I'm assuming I'm gonna use this for like date night. Stay tuned because I'm really excited and I can't wait. So that was like a Coachella. So I have this headband. The shirt, I have the Swiffer pads. That is actually a shirt. As you can see, it wraps all the way. And then these two that are wrapping it are old headpieces that I have from years ago as well. So for the skirt, I have the runner that goes on the dining room table, and I paired it with a polo belt, which I don't need the belt. It's not what's holding it up. Actually, I'm actually super excited about this outfit because low-key, high-key, this is something I definitely would wear to a Coachella. So let me back up and act like I'm in Coachella taking a picture. So comment down below if you guys like this outfit, if you think it was creative and it came out really good. I personally like it. I probably look so crazy right now looking at myself in the mirror and I keep laughing. I'm gonna go figure out my second outfit because I have no idea. I don't have enough material for this outfit. So it is a satin dress for date night with some toilet paper sleeves or straps, a toilet paper bag from Gucci, and what else? Oh, I have a little toilet paper headband or bow tie, whatever. And of course the belt on my dress is toilet paper that I recently purchased, and this is what it looks like. So the top is a very nice satin top, which you definitely can wear this. And definitely, I would wear this for a date night. Not with this tissue, of course, if it wasn't tissue. If you guys want to see what the back looks like, it's just shorts. So that's what this looks like. Alright, so my toilet paper belt just fell off. And we're left with this, which it gives me no shape to the body unless I go like this. But yeah, that's it for this look. So since this is like the year of the naked dresses, I decided that I'm going to show a lot of skin. I have shorts under and I have a bra under, so it's nothing like too crazy. And this is my take of a clutch, which is the freaking table, not tablecloth, but the this is the placemat from my dining room. Got the legs out, got some heels to go with this, since you know this is the red carpet. The only thing holding this up is I have 2 safety pins and a safety pin to my bra, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And I paired it up with some heels, and that is my take for the red carpet. This is the final look. I don't have anyone to record it for me because everyone is downstairs eating, which I need to be downstairs eating as well. If you guys didn't know, I am deactivated on Instagram and Twitter right now. I should be back though, and I'm going to be posting some pictures, and hopefully I'm back on Instagram within like a week from this video. But anyways, I can't do it no more. I cannot do heels anymore. My feet are all red and they have like indents, and I literally wore heels for like 10 minutes and I could barely walk. I'm not even joking. I don't want to show you my feet, but it's so bad right now. Matter of fact, let me show you a little piece of it. It's so bad. Let me lift up my... I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but my feet are actually screaming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below any video suggestions. If you did like this video, please let me know. I really hope you did. I really want to know which one was your favorite look out of the 3. So I don't know why I did 6 out of the 3. So let me know, comment down below which one was your fave. I'm not even sure which one was my favorite. I just took a couple of pictures. I want to see what they look like. I can't wait. But yeah, I had a lot of fun making this video. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner now, and I hope you guys like this video, even though I said that like 10 times. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.